بله هەواڵان ئیرۆم دخوازن جهناوێ کەسانە جهناوێ ڕێک جهناوێ چەوت خوار ببینن جهناوێ ڕێک ڕاست ژێرا subject pronoun object pronoun ئەمێ بێژن subject pronoun today we will see subject and object pronoun so generally as to em hon ev are subject pronoun and من تا we ما one object are object pronouns but there is some exception that in the past tense we already made video about past tense those words the second group can be subject as well. We already gave example but also I can give example right now. For example من تفهم کر. So when I say that I say من تفهم کر من تفهم کر this is I understand you. So I understand you. What is the subject? I. And you are the object, right? But generally in the other tenses unless past you don't use this as subject. So in the past tense man only becomes second group becomes subject. بله تنه دما بوریده گروبا دویمین دبه کرده دمین دنادا دما نها دما بی اف کردنه اف جی دبه هم جرد بیزن اوبجه هنجی چه ایج نزانم دب سکنه هم ببینن کام جرد بیزن چه ورم بیدستی بی بکن آره هیلکی داجی so obje tişt bresor tişt وكمينك as من as I من me okay so in here let's say this is not past tense I want to use some examples for them as bir Türkiye دخوينم I am reading book okay as bir Türkiye دخوينم so as you see like as is subject in here and I am reading book so this became subject but this one like how could we say that as bir Türkiye دخوينم من bir Türk خوند as من bir Türk خوند will من bir Türk خوند من bir Türk خوند will be at past tense and as you see this can become subject ev dikare bibe kirde demek ez dibêjim min pirtûk xwend ev dikare bibe kirde means subject as so basically it is the rule generally those are subject in the other tenses and this is object this became object also some other became object it depends on the subject actually so in case let's just ignore past times we don't think about past times but we want to have these the like me is object pronoun we want to have this how would we have de te ev we for man for male and we for jeune female we him her okay me we us me us okay hun we you it looks the same el one they them Azm, to be. Azm, I am actually, I am. Azm is I am. Amen. Okay, I think we confuse in here, surely. Amen, we are. Tui, you are. Hunan, you are. Hunan, you are. Eve, şehit. Even, they are. So, an makes it plural. Khaniye, hun heye, khaniye waheye. Which one would you say? Khaniye waheye. You see? Khaniye waheye. Ev one jamedine. Which one is true? Ev jamedine, one jamedine. Ev jamedine. They are from Ahmet. Çend pürtüken du de hene. Which one is right? Çend pürtüken de or du hene. Çend pürtüken de hene. How many book do you have? How many book do you have? Çend pürtüken de hene. How many books do you have? Çend pürtüken de hene. Khaniye mame ez min duqatiye. Duqatiye. Khaniye mame ez min. Khaniye mame min ez or min duqatiye. Khaniye mame min duqatiye. My uncle's house is 2 floors. Ev ve her hafti sevan dikire. Her roj sevan dixwe. Ev ve her roj sevan dixwe. Which one is right? Ev her hafti sevan dikire. Ev her roj sevan dixwe. So, ev her hafti sevan dikire. Ev her roji sevan dixwe. She buys apple each week. She eats apple every day. Em me her roj 2 fincan qahve dixwin. Em or me? Em her roj 2 fincan qahve dixwin. Em her roj 2 qahve fincan dixwin. Em. Okay. We are drinking 2 cups of tea every day. لباخشة وي or أو كليل كنا. لباخشة وي كليل كنا. چار چوکن دانری هنه. أو وي زاروكه. چار چوکن دانری هنه. أو زاروكه. Daneri has 4 bear toys. For bear toys. He is a child. Shavbas Ahmedo. As من دچم ماله. Which one would you say? As or من? Shavbas Ahmedo. Good night Ahmedo. I am going home. Shavbas Ahmedo. As دچم ماله. پور باوی من سپیه. او وی 5 سالیه. Which one? او or وی. پور باوی من سپیه. او 5 سالیه. او 5 سالیه. تو زنگینی تو تزنگینی پرین تو تگلکن. تو زنگینی پرین تگلکن. مالا نرگزی لرخ پارکه. Which one? مالا نرگزی لرخ پارکه. دلشا ج پرتوکا حزدکه. پرتوکان or پرتوک. دلشا ج پرتوکان حزدکه. Erdogan لسر کرسی رودنه. Erdogan sits on the chair. Erdogan لسر کرسی رودنه. Sorgul ji de muşete. Ji de muşete. Which one? Ji de muşete. Which one is the right? Sorgul ji muşete. Ev kar ji bo ji xezalê hêsane. Which one would you say? Ev kar ji bo xezalê hêsane. Hesan means easy. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much to watch. See you next time.